probably from here to the right sign. Back to that white sign?
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of up here. I'm from here. But I thought for a while, that was the first time I shot it. This should be good. I mean, it's just regular Winchester Remington, I think. Yeah. 2020. How long have I had them? I paid $12 for the trip. Yeah. That's scary. Yeah.
Hey everybody, Bad Billy. It is Saturday night about 9 o'clock, the 22nd. Got a few gun show pickups. 5 more 3rd gen Magpul PMags. $12.99 a piece, no tax. Picked up a Jack Ammo approved Seekins Precision mag release button. $10, no tags. Picked up a section of key mod rail, $10. 223 laser bore sighter, $15. I also grabbed another one of these Valken tactical double AR cases, OD green. Pretty nice case. I bought a black 42-inch one Christmas time, and I ended up giving that to my boss for Christmas. So I picked this one up. Plus, I wanted the shorter one. So it's a good deal at $55, I think. Charging handle. Guys that local to me here in Michigan build ARs. Company called Next Level Armament. They make their version of the AXTS Raptor charging handle. It's made out of the same material, 70-75 aluminum. The ears on this are a little bit wider than the AXTS and a little bit more aggressively curved, I guess. They had an AXTS there just to show people the you know, the weight and the size and whatnot difference. They had one on one of their guns, so they took it out and showed it to me. And it seems to be pretty much the same quality piece. Like I said, a little slightly different design, and the way theirs operates, they claim that it has less moving parts, and it does seem to hinge a little differently. Like the hinge point on this one seems to be up at the top, where the AXTS is more down here. So they claim it's better because it has fewer moving parts. I don't know. It looked to be, like I said, the same quality, and it was $25 less than an AXTS. This was $65 out the door. So we'll give it a try. I'll let you guys know how it is. Might be another Ammo Mafia approved item. Might be a little less expensive option. I don't know. If it sucks, then I'll throw it on one of my other builds and take it off the CMMG. So that's all I got. Gotta get to work on this thing here and get it bore sighted, get the scope leveled, and get a couple more parts on it. I didn't see any Seekins AFGs today. to put my hands on one to make a decision on whether I want to get that or the Magpul yet. So still undecided about that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great night.